Hello everyone. Today we are going to tackle a very common question in your English exams. Writing a description based on a bar graph. We have a graph here showing how grade 11 students at Prince College find current news. I took this question from 2025 Western Province Year-End Evaluation Grade 11 English paper. Our goal is to write a description in 3 paragraphs using the given words. Here is a model answer. Let's start with the introduction. We simply state what the graph is about. The given bar graph illustrates how grade 11 students of Prince College find current news. We can use alternative words for illustrates like shows, depicts, represents, indicates. The vertical axis shows the percentage of students. The horizontal axis represents the news sources. There are 5 news sources. They are messaging apps, YouTube, news websites, TV channels, and social media. Now, the description. We will use our keywords to compare the data. According to the chart, the most popular source is YouTube. It is 40%. Many students find news on messaging apps. It is 30%. The percentage of students who find news on messaging apps is more than the percentage of students who find news on social media. Less percentage of students find news on TV channels than social media. Equal percentage of students find news on news websites and TV channels. Finally, the conclusion. According to the bar graph, I can clearly see the least percentage of students find news on news websites and TV channels among the grade 11 students of Prince College. Thank you for watching.